Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to know your computer bit on your Windows 7. This method is similar to Windows 10, 8, 11 also. So as a initial step, you need to right click on the My Computer icon and go to Properties, that is the last option. In this menu you will be able to find your system type. In my case it is 64-bit operating system, x64 based computer processor. If you are using 32-bit, it will show 32-bit operating system x86 based processor. Next method is you have to go to your start menu. You can find run icon here. Just tap on run option. In here you need to type cmd, tap on OK. In here you need to type wmic space os, it should be capital, space get space os capital architecture, like this. Hit enter. So you can see it shows OS architecture as 64-bit. This method also you can try to find your computer bit. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.